Kick to handstand. So the most important thing is to find the position of your weight through your hands. You want the weight to go through your first knuckle, and then everything else will stack up from there. So you're going to push the ground away, so you're going to elevate your shoulders, you're going to pull your belly button in towards the spine, tuck the pelvis and keep the legs pulled nice and long. That's when you're in the handstand. But when you're on the ground and that's in that planky sort of position, then just think about your the weight going through your first knuckle. It looks like this. So shift forwards, find the weight in the knuckle, and then kick up, push the hands away. And again, find the weight going through that first knuckle, push, find that alignment, and then come back down again. Find that weight in the first knuckle, push, and up to handstand.